What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk tweaks. So for those who jailbreak their devices on both the Unc0ver and the Checkra1n for iOS 13 up to 13.5, those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys if you can give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Okay, so let's go ahead right now to talking about today's tweaks. Number one on my list will be the CoolFolder. Let me go ahead right now to showing you guys one of the folder that I have on my phone here. You can take a look at it. How is it the folder and how is it the border comes with that tweak. You can customize some stuff if you navigate to under the settings. So once you download the tweak, go ahead, enable the tweak. We have a custom corner reduce if you want to toggle that using the slider underneath to adjust the way you would like to. Also, you will be able to border color, so you can tap on the color. You can choose your favorite color, and once you're done, you need to make sure to reset your device so your device will be take the effect. And as I show you guys to launch one of the folders, it will be just like that. Once again, this one will be called the CoolFolder. Moving right now to talking about the next one. The next one will be called the 3D badge clear. So you can take a look right now here on my settings icon. I have a badge. If you force a 3D touch on it, you will have one of the options says clear the badge. If you tap on it, this will be clear the badge for you. Even there is some customized stuff if you navigate to under the settings. So once you download the tweak, you need to make sure to toggle the should clear the badge. If you want to know what does that mean, you can read here underneath, and this is the only custom comes with that tweak. As I show you guys, it just to clear the badge. If you want to, you have one of the badges in your icon, force a 3D touch on it, it will be provide you with a clear badge just like that. You can take a look, clear the badge, so you can clear all the badges comes with that icon. Anyway, this one will be called the 3D badge clear. Moving right now to talking about the next one, the BottomToolBar Lite. This one is a free one, so most of you guys love that really cool and nice tweak. And once you launch the tweak, comes and bring most of the toggles, and you can say this one will be replace the control center. Comes with all the manuals and most of the application, the recent application, and even you have all the toggles here at the top. Even you can launch your player, listening for your music from near. So if you navigate to under the settings here, the first thing that you need to do to enable the tweak, always springboard style, so you can choose that, and then you can choose the style from near. So you can choose the single or the full face. So if you toggle the single and you want to see how is that will be looks like, once you choose the single, you need to respring your device. After you respring your device, launch the tweak from near. You can see right now you have the toggle, swipe to go to other section, to your player, swipe to go to your module, swipe to go to another section, how many section you have. And if you want to go back, for example, and launch the other face that I show you guys, just tap on this one, respring once again, unlock your device, launch that once again, comes just like that. So let's go ahead right now and just navigate to under the settings and go to the same tweak here to talking about the other stuff that comes with that tweak. So you can see right now here, we have more gestures and we have the bottom toolbar view and we have the advanced. Each single one of them is not going to be work because this is the light one. It comes with just a little bit customized stuff. If you want to get the more stuff with that tweak, you need to get the full version in order to customize everything. But to be honest, this is a really cool from the developer. He make the light one because some of the people, they already like that one, and this is what the tweak it is all about right now. So if you make any kind of changes with that tweak, you need to make sure to reset your device so your device will be take the effect. And this is the way about that tweak. This is the dark mode, and if I launch my light mode right now here, you can take a look at it. It is really beautiful for the both. So it's really nice and cool tweak to have it in your iPhone, and there you go. It's completely right now and 100% it is free. Anyway, so this one will be called the BottomToolBar Lite. Moving right now to talking about the next one. The next one will be called the Fluide. So once you play any one of your music, I already play one of my music here right now. You can take a look. So if you want to use your volume up, your volume down, you can see the wallpaper or the artwork of that music. It will be pop up with your volume hood just like that. So you can play, you can pause your audio just like that. This is what the tweak will be provide you with once you install it in your jailbroken device. If you want to ask about any kind of configuration will be came with that tweak, there is no configuration. Just once you play your audio, you want to listening for your music, once you want to use your volume hood, it will be the wallpaper or the artwork will be pop up with your volume hood. So this one will be called the Fluide. Let's go ahead right now to jump and talking about the other one that I have for you guys. So this one will be a widget, and this name for that widget will be the search bar X. Most of you guys know that the Android devices comes with Google search bar in the devices. So this is what the widget it's all about. This will be bring the Google search bar, and then you can use it, you can place it anywhere you would like to. How you can use that, of course you need to have the X in HTML in order to bring that widget into your springboard or your lock screen. As I show you guys, this is how it's going to be the style looks like. You can put it anywhere you would like to, and once you place it in your springboard, you will be able to tap on that bar and search for anything or Google anything right away from your springboard. Once again, this one will be called the search bar X. Anyway guys, this is the most tweak that I have for you guys in today's video, in today's update. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoy most the tweaks that I show you already. So if you guys like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.